Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert picture or image on Microsoft Excel in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. In my phone it's already installed. You can find Excel on the Google Play Store. Now just open Excel. After open the Excel, just tap on this plus icon to create a new sheet or document. Now from here you can choose any option as you want. If I tap on blank workbook, now from here at first you have to select any cell. If I select it and then click on this arrow icon, from here you can change your tab. Just tap on home option. Here you can find your all the tab. You can see insert, draw, formula tab, data tab, review tab and view tab. To insert any image or picture you have to go to insert tab. And here you can see table, data from picture, pictures option. Now just tap on pictures. Here you can see two options, place over cells, place in cell. At first if I select place over cell and then choose any option, if I select photos and then go to album and choose any picture, if I select it and then tap on done, you can customize your image from here. You can rotate or crop your picture, then just tap on finish and then go back, and that's it. You can see picture has been added successfully. Now just tap here to resize your picture, and here it is. Now if I go to same option again, just tap here and then go to insert tab, then tap on pictures, then tap on place in cell and then same way choose any picture. If I select it and then tap on done, then tap on finish, and you can see on the cell a picture has been inserted or added successfully. And that is how you can insert picture on Microsoft Excel in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.